Good day, sir. I am Hazel R. Toledo, 18 years old from Sitio Pahoyan, Barangay Giwan 1, Palompon, Leyte, BSIT 1B. The first question is, the Philippines has been subjected to imperialist ideologies through the colonization of Spain, America, and Japan. Which of these colonizations affected Filipinos' life the most negatively? So, among the colonizations by Spain, America, and Japan, the Japanese occupation during sa World War II affected Filipino lives the most negatively. This is because na mga na-involve nga mga extreme violence, harsh conditions, and widespread suffering. And also during the Japanese occupation in 1942 to 1945, ang Filipinos naka-experience og mga brutal treatment including massacres, forced labor, and widespread fear. Usa ka example is the Bataan Death March, where thousands of Filipino and American soldiers were forced para lakaw for days without enough food or water, leading to the death of many. So daghan ang namatay ato nga time. And ordinary citizens also suffered as Japanese forces committed atrocities. So when we say atrocities, mo ni siya ang extremely cruel, violent, or inhuman acts, often nag-involve og serious harm sa mga tao, such as killings and destruction of properties. Women um, Women were especially victimized as many were forced into sexual slavery as comfort women. Nagsuffer jud ang mga babae ato na time. And in contrast, while Spanish colonization lasted for over 300 years, as we all know, and naidaghan mga negative effects such as forced labor and heavy taxes. But nasad sila gibuhat nga mga positive changes like ang sa education, ang sa infrastructure, and the introduction of Christianity. American colonization also had negative effects. So ang negative effects, ila gitake advantage ang natural resources sa Philippines. However, it brought some positive changes, such as ang teaching democratic ideas, like ang sa voting and freedom, and ang pag-improve sa atong education system. The Japanese occupation stands out as the most devastating because of its short but extremely violent and traumatic impact sa mga Filipinos and living scars that are remembered hangtod karon. Bisan mabuo ra to ang time, but makatrauma ang gibuhat sa Japanese sa mga Filipinos. And now let's proceed to the second question. Um, History was incorporated into our educational system by Philippine legislators. What historical teachings served as inspiration for their motivation for to wanting Filipinos to become? So the Philippine legislators included history in education para tudloan ang mga Filipinos about sa ilang mga identity, sa ilang struggles and achievements as a nation. And ang goal is to inspire pride into so ang goal is to inspire pride, unity, and a sense of responsibility among citizens. And usa sa pinaka-importante kay ang historical teachings is the story of Filipino heroes such as Dr. Jose Rizal, whose works like ang Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Kaning story is nag-expose sa mga abuses sa Spanish colonizers and inspired the fight for freedom. Another example is ang katong kang Andres Bonifacio ang nag-lead sa Katipunan, an organization nga started the Philippine Revolution. These stories remind Filipinos sa ilang mga ancestors' sacrifices and ang value sa independence. The legislators' motivation was likely to encourage ang mga Filipinos to become patriotic, responsible, and active members of society. By understanding history, ang Filipinos maka-learn from past mistakes and appreciate ang value of freedom and work together to build a better future. And in short, ang history education nakahelp sa Filipinos understand their roots, take pride sa ilang culture, and strive to uphold the values of democracy, justice, and unity. That's all, sir. Thank you.